Ooh! Wow! That's so cute! Legit ito. Crazy. Tema, it looks like me. Damn, Keisha. Ooh! Dang. Sige, check me dyan. For Shanzay. This one for her. Thank you so much. So much for my friends. I love you. And then my jersey pa. Hey, Celmar. Thank you so much. I will definitely use that in our... Oh, what's this? Meron pa this. Sayang, hindi ka nakapunta sa Masha. I know it. What does this say? This says Rainah. I wonder who that is. Tapos, may ganito. I didn't open pa. Kasi, sabi ko, I'll open with you na guys na lang. So, yeah. Oh my gosh! It's 10,000! Okay. Letters! I will read without you guys kasi it's for me and not you. Thank you po, Ate Admin Gian. Kaman mo. Huh? Yeah, I know. Raisha is Rain and Keisha. I made that name. Next po. From Raisha Natics. Our gift may not be as pricey and expensive as what others gave you, but we made sure that it will be always unique and one of a kind. Please do an unboxing live for this. I'm doing it right now. Pretty please, all the members wants to see you both. All the members wants to see both your reactions. I know this is too much, but shout out, Nivette. I hope I'm doing it right. Shout out Nivette, Javier. Okay. Shout out Nivette, Javier, Nessie Tisoy, Charlene Zosimo, Christine Joyce Sugitan, Admin Gini, Baba Amir, Jean Carla Magkayan, Admin Gian, Gino Reyes, Leana May Reyes, Co-Admin Liban, Admin Teacher Lan, Admin Majoy, Marivic Pankowska, Marilinda, Missy, Yang, Kim. Hello guys. Thanks so much for this one. Open na tayo. Yan na naman tayo sa make face natin. Tapos ipipicture ko yun. I'm gonna look this one. Thank you. And then, crazy. Look at the thing. Oh! Wow! That's so cute! Legit ito. Crazy. Tema, it looks like me. Damn, Keisha. Ooh. Dang. Sige, check it out. We got next up. Meron pa guys, hindi pa ba? Ang kulit mo kanina. Yeah, sorry, kanina lang yun. Oh. Wowie! Hello ko! Wow! The frame is so nice, no? The drawing as well, malamang. Crazy. How do you guys do this, bro? This is something I wanna try doing. Where are you now? Ayun, bahay. Ganda. Yung sa'y tambal sa selos. Bakit may selos naman? Ano ako tambal sa dati? Just don't be selos. Where did you get your salt? See? from Ate Nessie Tisoy. Tisoy ba eh? Ano gift sa'yo ni Kai? Friendship. Hello, Rain. I'm Nessie Tisoy from Dubai. Woo! Hello, Nessie Tisoy from Dubai. Since I'm a huge fan, I would love to give. If you could send me a birthday greeting for me, it's my belated birthday. Oh my God! Belated happy birthday, Ate Nessie Tisoy from Dubai. God bless you. I hope you. Ooh! It's my mother. Mama! Mama! Tingnan mo! Tingnan mo, mother! Wow! Okay, hindi ako mag-stand up. Tingnan mo!
Wow! Ang prito na naman, baby girl. At ng nanay niya.
Galing ah.
Nice!
Ito na rin ulit. Oh, cute. Nice, no?
Nice! Ganda, no?
Okay, natin. Oh, diba? Galing. Okay, BRB mother. Thank you so much. Ano tanong na gusto ni mother and father? Thank you. Galing. Did you make this yourself po, Ate Nessie? Oh, so detailed. Even my necklace. I love it! Anong pangalan ng glasses mo? Kailangan pala may pangalan yung glasses. Hey, what do you mean? It's from Nike. Wala siyang name eh. Shawty with you. Shawty with you. And okay, ayahin natin. Oh, diba? Kuha, galing. Okay, BRB mother. Thank you so much. Halata namang nagustuhan ni mother and father. Thank you, galing. Did you make this yourself po, Ate Nessie? Oh, so detailed. Even my necklace. I love it! Anong pangalan ng glasses mo? Kailangan pala may pangalan yung glasses. Ay, what do you mean? It's from Nike. Wala siyang name eh. Shawty with you. Shawty with you. Under the mistletoe. Ano gift sa'yo ni Jaren? Ang tawag doon? Greeting. Yung ano niya? Yung vibe niya. Gift. Thank you so much, Rainatics, Ate Nessie Tisoy. And this one naman I got from Antipolo. To Rain from Fan. Whoa! Just did the same picture. Is this totoo? Crazy lang yun. Nerd Arts. Ayan, kuhang-kuha. Ang galing nyo guys. How do you do that? To Rainah. First of all, I would like to congratulate you. Thank you sa pagpapasaya simula pa sa bahay ni Kuya. Hanggang sa paglabas mo ni Kaya dito, ako lang mag-supportan niyo itong dalawa. Salamat. Yan yung kwento sa buhay. Kaka-inspiring. Keep shining and be humble. We love you. Ate. What? Ate Mai? Ate Ruhay? Ate Mai? Ate Mai? Ate Mai Aldamar. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I love you. Hey, let's go. Thank you so much po. Do you know my son? Damn, it smells nice. Ooh. There we got another one. Pagkagising sa umaga. Yeah. Okay, anyway guys. Ano yung songs na you like from Bahay ni Kuya? I have this parang ay! Unsa? Your favorite is song namin ni JJ? Yeah, stay tuned for that. Also, you guys know the one. Oh, you like that also. Also crazy. Ang dami ng bet ah. Shout out Celine. If I wanted you, would you have wanted me? 'Cause I got a thing for you. Oh!
Oh! Nag-unboxing ko, gikan.
Also me, I'm doing it now.
Okay, I'll watch you. Look at all the stuff toy I got.
Ay, that's so cute!
Okay, I'll watch
Long time
you.
no see, Ate Jazz.
Huh?
Long time no see.
Long time no see. I miss you. How have you been?
Did you change na?
No, not yet. I'm still wearing same clothes. Oh yeah, I'll also show anong mga kinuha ko from bands.
Cute!
God!
I love socks. And it's
I
sushi.
know, right? Alam niyo, fun fact, guys, yung socks ko. So, I brought so many socks sa bahay ni Kuya na unused and bago. So, all the girls na housemates, they get it. They borrow. Kasi hindi ko naman kinukuha after na.
Right.
Ooh, what is this?
Ano yung letter? What is letter?
Lila's Lucky Cat. Oh, from Nurse Ellie, Jasmine.
Ano, gift.
Wow, that's so nice, Rainah dyan. Oh, di ba? Oh, yun.
Labo.
Oh my gosh, it...
Magbigay kayong topic kay sino? Si Kai daw. Unay si Kai.
Ako, what would I say to Kai?
Hindi nag-work yung prankster brain ko.
Tingnan namin, guys. Anong...
Yes.
What will we... Anong i-prank call natin kay Kai?
Guys, magbigay kayo ng idea.
Kai. I don't think Kai will answer though.
Trouble.
It's 11:22 na. Pero sige, we'll try to prank call Kai. But what will we say? Keisha.
Can I go there right now? Kasi...
Kasi muna. Ano ba?
I'm scared of her mouth though.
Yeah, ako din. Parang hindi pwede ma-prank call si Kai. Si Binzoy, parang takot ako mag-prank call.
Wala, huwag na guys. Delikado.
Baka may...
Papakamot siya sa ulo niya. Mukhang delikado na naman ako.
That's so cute. I have a much cuter photo.
Yeah. You know, oh my gosh, I'm gonna share this. Since we got no topic. I gotta share this. Ito lang. I keep, I use the Ferrero pa dyan. I keep your, tags.
Same. Oh,
Ang mouth!
i-prank call daw tapos sasabihin ko, bakit ka tumatawag?
Okay, go.
At gani, mama. And he said, oh, so cute. Okay, I will prank call Kai.
Go.
I hope she answers. Then we'll do Jaren after.
Okay, go.
Okay. Mga call Kai. We'll see if she'll answer.
See. Okay. It's you.
Thank you. They're waiting.
That's on now. The letters.
No, it's not ringing though.
Ay.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh.
And look at the letters here, Mai. It's like so effort.
Wait, it's a sunog. Okay, Kai won't answer. We'll call Binsoy.
Kuya Vincent.
Ano kang nanawag?
Ha?
Ano kang nanawag?
Wala man.
Soy, busy ko. Soy, ayaw ba?
Eh, paano ba ito pati ba?
Katawa po.
Wala mo. Tamo. Wala. Gratan. Hakin lagi.
Galive mo ni ano.
Di mo kaya ko yan sama natin dyan.
Hindi na ako kaya, guys. Ni Rain, then ga-prank call daw. Ay, ga-prank call me.
Sige. Mag-live siguro ko.
Sige, sulod ra na mo.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Di kaya eh.
Hindi ko kaya, tumatawa ako. Okay. Sige, I'll try to call Jaren, but usually Viber kasi si Jaren eh.
Wow.
Sige. Tawag to sa Viber. Okay. Si Kai. I think Kai is asleep.
Hell no.
Bakit kanina ba ito ganun? Bakit? Si Day. Yeah, I don't think Kai is connected also to the Wi-Fi or nilol lang ako dyan. Lol. Si JP. Ay, wag. Si Dylan. Sige, tawagan natin. Grabe yung most sent Argel. Uy, nawala si Rain. Si Rain ba ang nawala?
Live po.
Feeling ko
I needed the
prank call eh.
Ha?
Ang pangit ko mag-prank.
Pero nag-laugh man ka. Kung pag gani ka 5 seconds, nag-laugh na ka nga naman ka. Sino?
Di. It's not ringing also. Bakit kaya po?
Damn, apaka-busy ng people. Damn, mo sent... theories. You
Yes.
tried Jaren, ah?
Yeah, I did. And then Jaren was about to call sa Viber, but then gagamit ko phone ko. Wala akong Viber here. Sinabi ko na lang kay Jaren, never mind, just a phone call. Akala niya, ano.
Ah.
Hindi sumasagot si Dylan.
Hello?
Yes? Hello?
Why?
Yeah? Hello? Yes?
Hello? Why?
Bakit ka tumatawag?
Hindi ako tumatawag. Hindi ako
Ha?
tumatawag.
Ikaw yung tumawag.
Ano? Nagulat nga ako. Sabi ko, ba't tumatawag? Kasama ko si Mark.
Ay, baka na ano mo, anong tawag dito? Na-press mo. Ikaw nga tumatawag kanina pa.
Ah!
Kanina.
Hindi ko ano ako sa cellphone ko eh.
Okay, it's a prank, di.
Ano meron?
Nag-live kami ni Rain, tapos sabi ng mga tao, prank call ka daw namin. Kita niyo yung reaction, hindi. Tawang-tawa ko sa pala.
Grabe yung live ha. Nanonood si Mark yung live niya.
Hi, Mark. Ready? Bye.
Guys. Okay.
Sorry.
Bye.
Active na dito siya. I'll try Kai
Okay,
again.
Mikey. Love you. Bye-bye. Huh?
I'll try Kai.
Yeah, I tried Kai. You try Kai. Ang cute ni Mark.
Bakit?
Mark is so sweet. Very ma-ate just always.
Why are you calling me?
Huh?
Why are you calling me?
I didn't call you.
Bro, it literally... Nag-ring siya.
Sabi ko kasi.
You wrong. I just answered the phone.
Ikaw, nag-live ang gani ko.
No, I just answered the phone.
Bro,
Hey, I just answered the phone.
bye. Shut up. You're so clingy. Why'd you call me?
Bro, I heard it ringing. Just pick it up.
Bahala ka, we. Why'd you call me?
No, you're so weird.
Why'd you call me?
I didn't call you.
You called me
Rainah,
again.
I just picked up.
Bro, stop.
Swear to God. Swear
Hello
to God.
ko. Stop. Stop lying. Stop lying.
Swear to God.
I called now. You called now.
If you didn't call me, then bye.
Hoy! Siya, it's alive. Pinaprank ka lang eh. Galit na siya.
Hi, live. Gusto makita eh. Baliw.
Ate
Sabi sa
Jazz,
live,
Ate Jazz.
pag si...
Sabi ng live kasi mag-prank call daw.
Tawag,
Go on, pikon ka daw. Pikon ka daw.
Boring. The
Pikon
prank
ka
was
daw.
so dull. Bye.
Bye, Kai.
Init ng ulo. Kinami ko.
Where are you calling next? Call Terry.
Okay. Chatty with you.
Ito pangit. You call
Uy,
Jack.
ate kulat.
Ay, okay. Nakatulog na yun. Pagod yun eh.
Ayaw nga eh.
Tulog na ba? Pwede ko matawagan si Argel kasi parang nasa labas pa siya.
Wait, I'm downloading Instagram, guys. Wait lang.
Ano ni Argel yung friends yan? Sa tawag ako.
Argel daw. Argel!
Yung nga, feeling ko kasi kasama yung friends.
So what? Go!
Kasama ata friends. Tapos yun. 11:34 na.
Ano alam? I don't... I'm kidding, guys.
Si Jolie daw muna.
Teka lang, ha? Teka lang. Ate Jolie, you doing, Ate Jolie?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so nice.
Kailangan to sa Viber.
Bro. Wait a minute.
Sandali guys, iniisip ko pa. Kasi feeling ko kasi wala, hindi pa nakauwi. Mga friend, tapos natawagan niya.
Do your friend.
Eh, parang alam nila nanonood ko.
What a fan. Wait guys, may Instagram mo login.
Paling pat. Sabi mo. Then, ano na guys.
Ay, it won't. I'll just close it.
No, Instagram kasi sometimes hindi
No, they
nag-notify.
don't notify. Where did you call kay kanina?
IG, hindi siya sumasagot na IG.
Dito ko IG. Messenger.
Wala akong messenger here.
I'll just prank call Ate Jazz.
Bakit yung number ko?
Oh, everything?
No.
Okay.
Wait.
Bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw Rainah Chu. What? Rainah Chu. That was so cute.
What's Rainah Celmar?
Like Rain and Pikachu, the ano. How much I care. Bro, I'm gonna start.
Ng mga messages na. Wala na. Sino ba ba ipa-prank call na?
Come on. I'm almost there. Fucking go like that.
Hello, Lane.
Wait lang ha, wait guys.
Here. I'll try. You. Okay. Ay, nawala si Rain. I'm calling quitting. Okay, this will be serious.
Wala na.
Sige, tawagan.
Kalau mani dah what? Gonna go.
Alam na ni Jaren guys na nagpa-prank kami.
Haha. Open Instagram. Wait, I'm gonna open Instagram.
Ano?
Login request. If you're already logged in on another device, you can open Instagram to approve this request. Ha! I did. Bruh. Never mind, I'll just do.
Sige, will you call na?
You know Clover Friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do Nile.
Go, go.
Ang dami nag-request.
Hindi ako marunong mag-anon. Yeah, guys.
Yes, Nile.
Ate Jazz. Ayaw kay GP. I want for my birthday.
I want for your birthday.
Me?
I guess Nile's busy, guys.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the issue.
Guys,
I want for my birthday.
takot ako mag-prank call kay Argel.
Bakit? Do it after. I'll do Hershey and then you do the Argel. Bro, it's not ringing. Why not ringing? Oh, okay, I'll just do ano. Wala si Hershey, guys. She's not ringing. Wala siyang wifi today. I'll do... Oh, Mark is here pala.
But Mark already knows.
He knows? Bro. How about JP?
Feeling ko nanood si nanood si Argel, feeling ko.
Bakit? Wow, what a fun.
Feeling ko nanood, hindi pwede i-prank kasi alam niya.
Alrighty. Updated siya.
Feeling ko lang, tawagan natin. Oh, ito na. Oh, kasi nanood niya. Ngalo ka, galantaw. Sapat.
Unsa?
Nag-watch sa live! Hi, Kuya Argel!
Wala na. Boring ang prank. Si Rain.
Hi, Kuya Argel. Argel's like... Ay.
Wala, kabalo na ka nga prank.
Ha?
Kabalo ka na prank.
Sa?
Nag-live me din, mag-prank call me din. Ikaw ang requested sa mga tao.
Hello, Big. Good evening. Arigatou gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. Sawadika.
Aba, nag-research.
Ayan. Tsaka.
Oh, yun na guys.
Sawadika. Jasmine.
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 Uy, naka-speaker ka.
Ay.
On cam daw, hi daw sa mga tao.
Wanda. Wait.
Kita ba? See, guys, he's out.
Hello, guys.
Hi, Kuya Argel.
No, Rain.
Ay, ako ko lang gigita. Marap siya. Bye, boss. Sorry.
Bye, boss.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, guys. Hello, tita.
Ay! Bye-bye, Amping. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What the hell? I'm mad.
Nanood yun. Kasi nung in-answer yung call, narinig ko boses ko.
Okay. Sus. Tanggal angas, Argel. Bro,
Ay.
did you selfies? Kira. Sabi niya. Aha. Okay. Ay, naku.
Si JP kasi, kung tatawagan ko yun, tatawagan niya may sasabihin. Pero parang,
Request pa dito. Bro, how am I supposed to log in my Instagram?
tawagan natin si JP.
Wait lang.
Yes.
Bakit ka tumatawag?
Ay. Tatanong ko lang ate Diyos kung may... Ay.
Ay. JP, nagpa-prank call kami ni Rain sa live. Pero sige po.
Ate Diyos. Ay, naka-live kayo?
Oo, tapos pinaprank call ka.
Tingin natin Diyos, naka-live kayo?
Opo.
Ngayon?
Opo.
Naka-on?
Opo. Ano ba? Sige, mamaya.
Sige po.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Ay,
Tapos may live at...
oo. Opo. Sige, bye-bye. Ingat. Bye-bye.
What is he gonna say? But guys, my app's not letting me do the prank call. It's not letting me log in my Instagram, bro.
Post mo si Colette sa ex. Tawagan natin. Si Colette, tawagi.
Lagi, my Instagram's not logging in, lagi. We sent a notification to the logged in devices on this account. Where will I see that notification? It's not.
Wala?
Ulo. My ulo is in. If I do it on my phone, then you guys are gonna not hear it because I'm living there. Bro.
You don't have, ano? Julie.
Wait.
Hello, bakit ka tumatawag?
Ala, ikaw tumatawag kaya sa akin.
Hindi
Ikaw kaya, gusto mo mag-screenshot ko.
I-screenshot mo ang...
Ikaw tumatawag ko
Hindi ikaw yung kanina ka pa tumatawag.
Baliw, hindi ako ba't kita i-call? Girlfriend ba kita?
Jolie!
Ay,
I love it.
Naka-live po kami, nag-prank call.
Ay, we!
Ba't kita i-call? Girlfriend ba kita? Ate Jolie.
Hello, Rainah!
I miss you.
Gusto ko yung sinabi niya na,
Baliw, buti nga hindi ko sinabi na si...
siya.
I love you, Ate Jolie.
Love you,
I love
Jolie.
you, Rainah. Good night, gorgeous.
Good night. Good night to God bless and to reindeers.
Bye. Good night, reindeers. Wait. May ganap kayo?
Meron kaming ano.
If you know what I mean. Yeah, wait. Ako din. Okay, bye-bye.
See you.
Really? Yay! Yay!
Awan. Sige. See you.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Rainah.
Love you. Good night.
Ate Jory, good night. Ate Jory, so funny, bro.
Yun yung best reaction ko na nakuha. Bakit kita natawagan? Girlfriend ba kita? O yan yung na-wear ko na ka. Sino nga si Colette? Pag dito si Colette magagalit, patay tayo. Colette. Uy, tapos na po si Argel po.
Stop, wait a minute.
Not ni Helena. Helena, my best friend.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Ano ka nitawag? Yes?
Hello. Natulog ko.
Ay, good night.
Good night.
Love you. See you tomorrow.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, tutulog na si Kulot, guys.
Okay, stop na ba? Bad na ni.
Okay, wag na kasi it's 11:53 na.
Oo.
Kami nating energy.
Next time. Hala ka mo, ha? Sige. Sige, ano na. I wanna leave already. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, me too.
It's late now. We still have ano. Yeah.
Yeah. See you tomorrow, friends.
Next time, guys.
Bye,
Bye.
everybody. Good night. Thank you for your love. Oh, that's cute. Bye-bye.
Bye, Ate Jazz. Good night. Love you, Momo.
Bye, Rain. Love you. See you tomorrow.
Guys, bye, reindeers. Bye, gorgeous.
Bye. Good night.